Not all of us have a head for figures, but being a trustee, you should know the financial position of your charity at all times. You can appoint an expert to manage the books, but it's the responsibility of all trustees, and not just the treasurer, to make sure your charity's money is safe, properly used and accounted for. At the Charity Commission, we register and regulate charities in England and Wales. We also provide a range of support for trustees, including a 5-minute guide full of tips and advice called Managing Finances. The guide explains how keeping accurate records, for example of your charity's income and spending, will help you keep track of your charity's finances and help you prepare your charity's accounts. It recommends practical tools like an internal financial controls checklist, which will help you and other trustees gain greater control over your charity's finances. And if your charity doesn't spend all its income, the guide explains the rules on what can happen to the surplus. In short, you can build a sound financial foundation for your charity using the guide. Financial problems can and do arise, and the guide stresses the need to act quickly and take any expert advice early on. It also suggests measures you can take, such as developing alternative sources of funding, borrowing from banks or stakeholders, and delaying and/or stopping some of the charity's activities. Successfully managing your charity's finances is vital. It helps ensure your charity can continue to deliver what it was set up to do. And that means the communities and causes that your charity was created to help benefit. Take 5 minutes to read the guide and refresh your knowledge today.